We'll do the quiet dinner tomorrow.
It's fine now. I'll be busy all day.
With your NASA buddy? He's getting you some fellowship at NASA, right?
Internship, Rohan. It's an internship.
So you mean you'll have to be there?
Yes, that's what an internship means. You have to go to the place and actually work there.
And how am I supposed to know? मुझे तो कैसे पता होगा? I'm the beauty without brains. और उसको ही साले को सब कुछ पता है. मैडम तो हमेशा brains करती रहती है. And मैडम can fucking brains if she wants to. What?
Stoop that low, Rohan. You're a asshole.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है? मुझे टेंशन नहीं मिलती. When I'm at a shoot ना, all the chicks hit on me all the time.
Yes, all 20 days when you are traveling. I know.
And not even once I have cheated in this relationship. I've not even thought about it once.
And I should be profoundly grateful for that. Thank you.
मेरा मतलब वो नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ
No, I know your matlab very well. It's very important that I hear all of this. Bolo?
Okay. एक बात बताओ मुझे. मुझे बॉयफ्रेंड क्यों बोला उसके सामने? Why not fiance? For all that you know, पीछे से तुमने मुझे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड बना दिया हो.
I should have called you a child, Rohan, because that's exactly what you are.
काव्या पहली बार नहीं हो रहा है. This happens all the time, हाँ. मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं देखता नहीं हूँ. तुम्हारे सामने कोई प्रोफेसर लुकिंग कोई इंटेलेक्चुअल इंसान आया था, your eyes start twinkling. Do you even know that?
Because I can have conversations with them that I can't have with you, Rohan, and because they don't ask me to do stupid things that change my name. Who the does that?
Or maybe you're looking for your dad in them. How about that? You know what? Maybe you want a dad, not a husband. एक इंटेलेक्चुअल इंसान आ गया तुम्हारे लाइफ में, हर इंसान में तुम्हें वही नजर आता है. And I can't be a fucking dad. I can only be a husband.
You think that I can't see that you want me to be your mom? Huh? Be an idiot, bang my head on temple floors for you, count balas for you. सब तुम पे हंसते हैं रोहन, तुम्हारे नाम पे. You double H, you double N, you fucking double D. तुम्हारे सामने नहीं हंसते, मेरे सामने हंसते. And I deal with it. I defend you every time. Every time I defend you, even though I hate this idiotic obsession of yours with this stupid chap. And I hate the stupid name on my wedding card. I hate it.
इतना ही hate करती हो, तो why are you even marrying me, हाँ? बोलो.
I don't know. I don't know, okay? I fell in love with you, not your name.
But I am my name.
Yeah. I can finally see that you are as shallow as your name.
ऐसे खत्म होगा दिन मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था यार. Let it be. I think it's just a bad day. Let it be.
No. It's a very lucky day, Rohan. If not now, this would have happened a year from now, 5 years from now. It's good that we're saving all this time. Because clearly, we're really not meant to be here.